Win a set of rescue recovery boards. Subscribe to the Quadratec YouTube channel and leave a comment down below.
Hey everybody, thanks for coming out to the Maryland 50 for 50. This project is done with coordination with Quadratec. We're doing one project in each of the 50 states. This is the one we're doing for Maryland. So I'm happy to be here. I'm Scott from TreadLightly for those who don't know me. And what we're going to be working on today is setting some signs in a couple different scenarios. This is for the Carcinite posts that we're going to be putting into the ground. They're a fiberglass post with a decal on one or more sides. We've also got some U-channel posts and freestanding signs. And then we're going to be putting a large map panel inside of a kiosk. Want to be aware of any of the dangers that we could have out here. If you're using tools, try to wear gloves at all times. You also got to be aware that there are some snakes in this area, so we're getting into the snake season right now, so just be aware of where you're stepping.
Well, I just want to thank you all for coming out here today to St. John's Rock. We're in Savage River State Forest on behalf of the Maryland Department of Natural Resources and the Forest Service. I just want to thank TreadLightly and Quadratec for the support through the Quadratec 50 for 50 program. And it's important to us that trail users are treating the trails ethically and that we're providing a sustainable experience to our users here in Maryland. So thanks again for being out here today.